In this video, I want to talk about how you can add tracking number on Shopify. So if someone bought something from you and you want to add a tracking number, the way that you can do this, the easiest is to follow these steps. What you want to do is you want to click on orders from your Shopify dashboard right here. Once you're inside of orders, you want to click on the order and then you want to click either fulfill items, or if it's already been fulfilled, you want to click edit tracking. After that, just put in the tracking number, select the carrier, and if you want, you can notify the customer. But after that, click fulfill or save, and they will now have the tracking number. So that is basically how that works. Now you can also go to the App Store and download some apps that will automatically do this for you if you don't want to do it yourself. But if you have a small store or something, you can easily do this yourself, and it's pretty easy. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.